Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to integrate other accounts into IONOS Webmail for mail business. What you want to first do is log into your IONOS Webmail dashboard, come to the top right, click on this secure cog to access settings, and then click here on all settings. Now from here on the left hand panel, I want you to click on accounts and then click here on add email account. Okay. Then you just need to go ahead and enter your email address and your password for that specific email from whatever provider you're using. And don't worry, it will go over a secure connection just to log you in. You just click here and add, and this automatic setup works with many email accounts like Gmail, Yahoo, iCloud. And if the automatic configuration basically fails, if it's not supported by the other email provider, then you'll get an option to click on configure manually, and then you just go ahead and enter the required data manually. Okay, and you click on save. For example, a data like this that your email provider will actually give you. Okay, so it is really that easy, and that is how to integrate other accounts into IONOS Webmail for mail business.